Hey guys, welcome to this next little episode of the Frenergy channel, and today I just want to put a little 2-minute topic on here talking about the significance of free energy. As we all know, Tesla is a big name brand of today's age, and nobody really knows where the name even came from. I mean, I've literally asked people, where do you think the name brand Tesla came from, and people would be like, Edison, right? And I'd be like, dude, Nikola Tesla. So when I stop and think about how backward society is and what we vote for and what we look at on the news, I start to realize that society doesn't really care about free electricity. And it blows my mind as to why, because why wouldn't you care about free electricity? Free electricity is literally a paradigm shifter, guys. It could change your life. You could grow plants abundantly. You could raise and farm animals abundantly, and you wouldn't have any side effects to it. Nikola Tesla tapped into something known as high frequency alternating current, and I've tapped into this power as well. What's nice about today's age is technology is so easy to get your hands on now that free electricity is like a handcraft. All you need is some supercapacitors. You're good to go. A couple of transformers. You just need to amplify your volts. You need to step up your magnetism. That's all electricity is. It's just magnetism. The more you amplify your Gauss, if you look up how much Gauss, Gauss, you know that stuff that's in Halo, a Gauss gun, pew, pew. Well, that's the same exact effect. It's just condensed. You know, it's shooting a condensed electromagnetic force at the enemy, and it annihilates them. It's like a railgun, right? That's Gauss. It's invisible compressed energy. It can be used as a weapon. It can be used to generate free electricity. All kinds of things. I'm telling you guys, everything around us is made of magnets. Everything. Look into Edward Leedskalnin. Everything is made of magnets. So don't overthink science too much, guys. When you break it down to the positive and negative, everything is just a magnet. It's all about looking into the protons and the neutrons. Protons and neutrons. Which ones can you stimulate? Which ones can't you stimulate? Stay tuned, guys, and hope to see you in the next video. I just want to keep these videos short so I don't lose your attention span. So if you like this video, comment below, like, subscribe. I'm trying to get this database as big as I can. Sign up to my social media website. I'm trying to get as many people to my social media website as I can, at least if you're a vegan, that is, or somebody that's into conspiracy theories, all that kind of stuff. It's vegansbook.org. You'll see it in the link below. Stay tuned, guys. I got more for you in the next video. Peace.